Welcome to the first tutorial video. You don't have to watch these in order as they come out over the weeks, but I am intending them to build one from the other. So if you jump in somewhere and it doesn't make sense, it's probably because there's something in one of the earlier videos. So running through them in order and getting a little grasp of what's going on might help you a little bit. So the first two videos are going to be on some basic hand shapes and looking at ways we can just educate the body as far as coordination goes, just to get you doing some things with your arms that might not necessarily come naturally. So to start off with, hit your basic stance. It's just a nice neutral place to work from. We're going to go left arm in front, and then first two shapes are tarn cell. So tarn and hit, tarn and hit. So you can just repeat those until you're comfortable. A couple of different ways to do the tarn. You can have it sat on your centre and hit over the top, or you can have it out to the shoulder and hit through the gap, either or. Second shape is garn cell. So it goes forward, wrist sits in front of your centre point down low. Garn, punch, garn, punch. So you're dropping over the top, punch comes up the inside. Third shape, park cell. Park and press, over the top, park and press, over the top. And the final shape, park cell again, but it's a high one. So you run this back up to your shoulder, next to the ear, punch underneath. This one you then punch under with your next hit, and this rolls like it's rolling down a slide on your arm, and pass. So to the ear and punch under, to the ear and punch under. So you can then run those in sequence. Tarn and punch, garn, garn, park and press, and inside park. So that's the first 4 of 7 that we're going to cover. I'll grab Steve and we'll have a look at why we're doing those and what the application might be. Okay, so application of those, we'll show you from the side so you can see what's going on, and notice the distance of my arms from the body as well, because you only saw it from the front previously. So we start off with the 2 tarn cells. Tarn, punch, punch then comes under, garn and punch, then there's a hit through the gap, so I do the park and press, and in, park, press, and in, and then a punch fairly high. So I do that park cell that slips back and under. Okay, so we'll go once more. So if you have the luxury of a training partner, you can jump in and do that. If not, try and keep in mind what the opponent is doing whilst you're running through that, so you're not just waving your arms around in the air. Second video on the shapes, we'll cover 3 more shapes, and again we'll have a look at the application.